There are three things every maternity photographer should provide for the parents at the maternity photo shoot. And honestly, if you don't find a maternity photographer that doesn't offer either one of these things or all of these things, I would suggest you find someone else. What's going on to all of my married expecting parents? I am Jaylin Dorsey-Mitchell, an all-inclusive maternity photographer out of Detroit, Michigan. And in this video today, I'm going to let you in on the three things I feel every maternity photographer should provide for their clients. And getting right into it, starting with number one, it's a custom idea. I personally feel like every maternity photographer should provide their clients a custom idea. Why? Because this is a very important moment in your pregnancy journey. This is a moment that you will never get back, and your story is different than someone else's. So why should you be put on a plain background or a set that everybody else is using and do the same thing everybody else is doing? So it's very important that you find a maternity photographer that is going to personalize your maternity photo shoot and give you a custom idea and custom background so you can have photos that stand out. Which brings me to number two. I personally feel like every maternity photographer should 100% provide the beauticians for the maternity photo shoot. So what do I mean by that? The hairstylists and the makeup artists are very important. And I understand that you may have a homegirl that do makeup. I understand that you may have a homegirl that do hair or vice versa. But going out in club hair and makeup is different than photo shoot hair and makeup. How things look on camera, like with a professional camera, is not how they look on your phone. And it's important that you find someone that specializes in professional hair and makeup, but more than likely you don't know someone, but your photographer will, which is exactly why you need to have a photographer who actually provides professional hair and makeup for the maternity photo shoots, so you don't have to worry about that. And last but not least, the wardrobe. The wardrobe is so important. When you have your custom idea, you have to know exactly what to wear for your custom idea. So your photographer, me personally, right? We're all-inclusive maternity photography company that provides everything for our expectant mothers. Your photographer should provide the wardrobe because, number one, you're pregnant, right? And you're pregnant, you don't have time to go look online, shop all over, right? You're busy. You need to have a photographer that provides wardrobe. And the second biggest reason is that you won't wear it ever again. The size that you are pregnant with right now is not the same size that you're going to be years to come, right? You're not going to wear this pregnancy outfit again. So it's no point of taking your money and spending it on something that you will never wear again. So those are the three things I feel every maternity photographer should provide for their clients. I am an all-inclusive maternity photographer out of Detroit, Michigan. And before you go, I want to give you a special gift I've created for married expecting parents. It's called the Maternity Idea Vault, and it includes 900 plus maternity photo shoot ideas inside of it that you can use as inspiration for your own maternity photo shoot and create a unique idea that tells your pregnancy story. So all you have to do is click the link in the description and download that free idea board, get access to it. And also, if you are in need of a maternity photographer and you are a married couple who owns a home that they love, I am the maternity photographer for you. We offer all-inclusive maternity photo shoots for people that live in Michigan. And we also have a baby moon package that includes flights, that includes transportation, room and board. It's literally like a baby moon in Detroit. So click the link in the description and I will see you again soon.